Hi, it's Jewel and JC with Jewel's Remedies, and today we're making our Mother's Day gifts with lavender, our favorite. Lavender is very special for me for Mother's Day. I even had it in my birthing suite when I gave birth to Giancarlo, and I love to use it in our nighttime rituals. So we will be creating in this 2-ounce rollerball a massage oil. Jojoba oil is waxier than other plant oils, but that makes it great at resisting breaking down. You can have this on your shelf for a long time, and that's why it's also widely used in cosmetic formulas, and it has anti-inflammatory activity. So we add 2 ounces of jojoba oil to our massage rollerball container, and then we're going to add the fabulous de-stressing, calming, mood balancing lavender. JC's grandmother is no stranger to lavender, so we're going to use a 1% dilution and add 10 drops per 1 ounce of the jojoba oil. If you're gifting for children, frail adults, or people with sensitive skin, consider a 0.5% dilution or 4 to 5 drops per ounce of carrier oil. Snap the rollerball top back into place. And now you have this portable, travel-friendly, stress-relieving massage oil to carry with you. Replace the original cap and shake. Store it in a cool, dark place or in the refrigerator for an extra cool treat. Massage oil is for topical use, so now we're going to complement with a product for inhalation. This is our lavender room spray linen mist, and to the blue colored glass bottle, which is a 4-ounce bottle, we're adding 2 ounces of vodka. I've already spilled a bit and done. Giancarlo comments, "That doesn't smell very good," and he's right. Next, to the vodka, we are now adding equal parts distilled water. Distilled water tends to have fewer contaminants than tap water, so we're going to use it here. You can experiment with purified or filtered water as well. Now it's time to add our lavender essential oil. And because this is a room spray and not a topical application, we are going to do a 2% dilution or 15 to 20 drops per 1 ounce of our carrier liquids. In general, I try to avoid touching the top of my essential oil bottle when pouring into a carrier bottle. Another option is to take the pour spout out of your essential oil bottle and just use a dropper. But this works just as well. Giancarlo obviously wanted to give a little more to his grandma. So replace the cap. And we are now going to show you our labels we made. This one says "You are loved." Use some tacky glue or some hot glue to adhere. And clearly Giancarlo's smarter than me as he places it horizontally. So we created another label for the room mist. And I love lavender. Direct inhalation is the best way to use it, but we have some room spray here. This is our label that says linen mist room spray. It has the ingredients with the botanical names and a little artwork by Giancarlo. So thank you for watching. Thank JC for his help. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothering, nurturing souls out there. I hope you enjoy your day.